Good morning, everyone. Well, first of all, I would like to thank everyone who contributed to the organization of this event, especially Erik, Stenberg, Daniel, Koch, and KTH, who are our hosts. And a special thanks to Marina Wildenholm, Rafael Graziano, and Daniel Movilla. They were fundamental to the organization of this seminar. Thanks also to all participants linking to the thematic project. I know how hard it is to find time to events or in your academic life nowadays. But I see that you are building a group increasingly engaged in the project that you are developing, and I'm sure that the result will make the worth the efforts. And finally, thanks to the keynote speakers, Professors Sven Olof Wellenstein, Jennifer Mack, Catarina Gibson, Gabrielson, Eliseu Gonçalves, and Raquel Paulino. Maybe the last two names I pronounce them correctly. Your participation is really an honor for us. I intend to be very fast and not to do a very long opening. Well, as some of you may know, the seminar is part of the thematic project Architecture and Urbanism addressed to the social space in the 20th century, segregation strategies and appropriation tactics, funded by FAPESP. The research has the participation of 5 universities. They are KTH, TU Delft, ETH in Zurich, UPM Madrid, Harvard in the United States, and the University of São Paulo in São Paulo, Brazil. USP, FAUSP. We started this research in 2018 and it should be done in 4 years. The photos that you are seeing in the background are from the first research seminar held last year at FAUSP, University of São Paulo, in São Paulo. The purpose of the research is, in short, to identify special changes to occur in the urban space in 21st century cities, especially of the so-called ideological crisis of the new liberalism. To this end, several methodologies will be used, some more focused in empirical objects and some more focused in theoretical themes. This is the synoptic chart of the research in which we can see that we divide our research in 2 main strategies, the empirical one and the theoretical. Of course, there is a strong connection between them, but also independence. In just 1 year, I think that we achieved significant results. Here it's the connection, and here the results. Well, one seminar in FAUSP, Global Housing, my participation in the course in TU Delft as a visiting professor, CHC booklets that we do together with CVC booklets from Madrid. The 21S second seminar workshop in 2000 for the next year in Harvard, and the workshop just now in São Paulo at the Biennale with Tom Avermaet. And some connection with students too, that maybe we have to do some arrangement between this, and another colleagues like Marta Caldeira, Daniel Movilla, Sergio Blas Martin that joined us recently. And that is the result, the first seminar, a book in edition, the workshop in ETH, a research internship from FAUSP to KTH to TU Delft to Yale to FAUSP, from Harvard to FAUSP, 12 published academic articles, 6 CHC notebooks or booklets, an internet site for CHC booklets, and lectures, courses, etc. For the first year, it looks very good, but I think you can improve, especially on partnerships. This seminar will be also important in this regard. The intent of the 21 seminar is to bring the 21 seminar is to bring together the thematic project members and the other guest research closer to common themes. The first seminar was devoted to the conceptual and methodological issues. The second one, this one, will be dedicated to the issues of inclusion. We have a website now about the, oh, this is the website. It's just mistaking the connection. This is the website of the 21 seminar, where it's possible to access images and movies from our presentation. We are editing a book nowadays about the result of this seminar. There is a little, well, you can see in this website the result. If you click on the result, it's possible to see pictures about the seminar, and it's possible to see too all the conference by Reinhold Martins, Erik Stenberg, Nelson Mota, Sotoka, Sergio Martin, Natalia Escobar, Marta Caldeira, and the others. You can see exactly the lecture there, and it's possible to download the CHC booklets too in this website. Well, inclusion is the theme of this seminar. It's issues of a great importance in the world context today, and it has been discussed for many decades in the academy. Unfortunately, the application of the inclusion mechanism has been hesitant in many contexts, for reasons which we will probably be commenting on during this seminar. For architects and planners, inclusion has direct relationship with the issue of space. How to create connection between space and the social form. This delicate operation, as we see in the history, can accentuate or diminish the process of exclusion regarding economic as well regarding cultural, racial, and gender issues. Now, unfortunately, this process is at risk in given the ultra-conservative wave that's affecting the entire world. It's a note from 2 days ago. And it tends to increase inequality and exclusion around the world. As we can see in the recent BBC report 2 days ago, it's a very important issues to think about inclusion and inequality in the world today. Well, certainly, I think that this ultra-conservative wave will be flattening. I believe so. I'm an optimist. And good seminar for you. Thank you.